everyone, this is Gina. We are in Shanghai, China, and we are attending the APPP Expo. And I will show you how to find our booth right away. So first, you can see here is an entrance 6. Okay, and here is a WH, which means West Hall. And then please follow me. As you can see, here is an elevator, and you need to take the elevator up there. And then the elevator is not working now, but it will be worked tomorrow. So you can see the elevator is not working, but it will be worked tomorrow when you come. Okay, now here we are. Now let's go to the right side. Follow me. As you can see, here's a logo, and let us keep going. So in here, you can go through the visitor's entrance. Please follow me. So you always go through the visitor's entrance. So here, as you can see, there are some entrance for security check. So here's all the security checks. Here's all the security check. So here, after the security check, and then we need to go to the right side. Remember, it's the right side, so it shows hall 526. Okay, let's keep going. And here is for you to do the registration, and then you will have your car, and then you will need to use your car to check in. Now follow me. Now as you can see, here is a sign, and let's keep going and follow this sign. So in here, you need to use your car, just register it, and then check in by your car. So after you check in, and then you can see on your right side, here's an elevator, and then you need to take the elevator to up there. Let's go. So still not working now, but it will work tomorrow. So here we are, and you can see on this side it shows hall 5.2. Let's go through this entrance. So as you can see, here shows hall 5.2, and this door is 21, and we are in 14. So let me show you how to go to our booth. So here we are. Let's go straight down this row, and let's go. Let's keep going here. So we are here now. So here we are. You can see LOPO, and let me show you our products. So around the booth, we have all the equipment, printers and heat presses machines, and this is our UV DTF, and it is the A2 size. So this is the A3 size UV DTF machine. And here you can see our heat presses machine. This is the A02, which is the A4 size, and this is the A3 size. And this is the swing away heat press. So here's our cap and mop press. So this is the logo and the cap press 2-in-1. And this is the mop press. This is the cap press. And this is mainly for tumbler. And this is the 4-in-1 mop press. So here you can see we are still preparing now. It is the A4 DTF printer. And we have 3 colors, the pink, gray, and green color. And here is the solution for DTG machine. And this is the 105, our star heat press. And this is the oven with purifier inside. And this is the powder shaking machine. So here comes our new printer. It is the A3 size with 2 printer heads. And together with the auto shaking and powder machine. And here is our large format solutions. And this one is the A2 size DTF printer with the auto shaking and powder machine. And this is the heat presses to do the film. And here is our 6 centimeter DTF printer with also with the automatic powder and shaking machine. And this one you can see is very large. It's a 60 centimeters printer with 4 printer heads. Now let me give you a brief introduction for the sublimation blanks inside. So as you can see, here's the most popular products, sublimation textile items. And this is the tote bags. Inside is the towel. And that one is the pillowcases. So here you can see here's a TV to show our videos. And then on the left side, there are the products for DTF consumables. And here, they are the products for the UV DTF printers. And here on this side, you can see here's all the drinkwares. And here is the photo printing products, like the photo frames and the metal tin box. So that's all. Welcome to join us. See you.